In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Quick Search feature in Jira, a useful tool for swiftly locating issues within the platform. Imagine you're navigating Jira, and at the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to efficient searches. You can simply click on the search field, or for a more streamlined approach, press the / key on your keyboard. This small keyboard shortcut immediately activates the search bar, saving you a few clicks and seconds, perfect for those who value every moment. With the search bar active, you can start typing in keywords or specific issue IDs. This allows you to target particular issues directly, making your search not just quick, but also precise and effective. However, you might find that a broad search returns too many results, which can be overwhelming. Here, filters come to the rescue. Filters help you narrow your search by letting you refine results based on different criteria, such as the project the issue belongs to, who's responsible for it, or its status, whether it's open, in progress, or already resolved. By applying these filters, you'll ensure that the search results are precisely what you're looking for, tailored to your needs. Once you've set your filters, your initial search results will appear. You'll notice an option at the bottom labeled View All Work Items. Clicking on this gives you a comprehensive list of all issues that meet your search parameters. It's a detailed view where all relevant issues are consolidated, providing a streamlined way for you to review your findings efficiently. Now, let's explore a more detailed approach called the Advanced Search using Jira Query Language, known as JQL. To begin, select Issues from the top navigation bar. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Search for Issues. Initially, you may notice the basic search interface. To switch to JQL, look for the JQL option next to the search bar and click on it. This toggle switches your search environment to one where you can manually input custom queries. This allows you to specify more complex criteria, tailoring your search to suit precise requirements. For instance, you might want to find issues created by a specific user within the last month. After crafting your query, press Enter or click the search button to execute it. The results will populate in accordance with the precision and detail of your query, presenting you with a robust tool for tracking issues perfectly aligned with your specialized needs. I hope this tutorial on searching for issues in Jira, covering both Quick Search and Advanced Search with JQL, proves helpful to you. As you practice these techniques, you'll find that locating and managing issues become significantly more streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy searching.